Eon Laser and CanCam out of Ontario. We've got a 60-watt CO2 laser able to cut, engrave, and make almost anything you can imagine out of wood, certain types of plastic, painted surfaces. We're still learning how to use it, but it's been a lot of fun to try. And today we're making some custom Metamakers related pencils so that we'll spread the word. Check us out at metamakers.org.
We actually opened our doors in 2019, in October, right before the pandemic. We were upstairs on the second floor in a much smaller space, and we were making stuff. People were in the makerspace, using 3D printers, doing woodworking, pottery, all kinds of fun stuff, and we needed to grow, we needed to expand, and this is a perfect milestone for us. We doubled our square footage and opened down here in October last year, and it's been a long road just getting this space ready. A lot of construction, painting, building this wall, and a huge collaboration for all the makers here. Cheers to Metamakers for making this makerspace possible. Cheers! Grateful to CanCam CNC Machines, Amherstburg Rapid Prototype, WeTech, Actualized Place, Well Fed, Sean Wilson, 5'2" Pottery, Old Bat Dice, Steve Dingle, and Icing Accents. Big thanks to all of the members who donated their time and efforts. This display was made at Metamakers. The mechanical design and CNC program was by Matt Janice. Huge thanks to Matt. And the hero does turn, so you can see here. Look at that. They all rotate, but
it will eventually alter.
One more connection.
One more connector.
Oh, we just need
one more sponsor.
Oh, that's it. Yeah.
You are the gap that's missing here.
And we are still looking for sponsors. So if you like what you see and you want to be a part of this interactive light up experience, then you can sponsor the makerspace and we will feature your logo on this sponsor wall. It can also be used to cut through materials, so if you need to cut out like a gear, there you go. And there's certain materials that you can't cut because if you burn them, it releases gases that are harmful.
Oh, okay. Or corrosive to the machine.
A big,
Literally giving them the gears.
So that stays here then? That's cool.
Yes.
That's awesome.
and a brand new sewing machine as well.
wow.
We also had this sewing machine donated by one of the other members of the building.